got the E92 out today. We got it all clean and detailed. Still don't have exhaust tips, but they're in my trunk, just waiting to be put on. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. You guys can probably guess what we're doing today, but we are going to another car meet. There hasn't been much content to film lately, but there's a car meet tonight. There's a big car meet tonight. I heard like thousands of people are coming out to this meet, so it should be pretty crazy. A lot of people, a lot of cars, and hopefully some pretty lit content. It's in downtown LA on a rooftop, so you guys know it's gonna be lit. Some Fast and the Furious vibes for sure. But as you guys can see, we are in the E92. I have not brought this car out in a long time, especially to like a night car meet like this, so it's gonna be pretty sick. I'm excited. It might be like one of the first times a lot of people see the wrap, so it should be pretty lit. If you guys got any content or video ideas, comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Any ideas you guys got, comment down below, and maybe I'll shoot some of those videos, because like I said, there's not really much content to film. But yeah, let's go check out this meet. I'm gonna show up early because I got the okay to come through early. Hopefully find some pretty decent parking, because I know it's gonna get packed when the meet actually starts. For once, we are finally going early to a car meet. Oh my god, I always forget how loud this car is. It's freaking too loud. I've been driving the GTR a lot lately, so every time I hop into this, it really surprises me and I forget how loud it is. Like, bro, I'm barely cruising. Oh my god. Alright guys, I think we made it. I think it's in this parking structure. I don't know how everybody's gonna fit. What's up, bro? I don't know how we're gonna fit, but it's gonna be crazy. Damn guys, look what's in front of me. My GTR. It's not really mine, but it looks just like mine. Bro, it literally looks just like my car. That's so crazy. Oh, I wish I brought the GTR. But I had to show some love to the M3. I haven't driven this thing in so long. There's two of them. That's my twin right there. As if I brought my car, it would literally be 3 all black GTRs. Oh my god, I wish I brought my GTR now. Oh my god, bro. So sick. Guys, one day I'm gonna buy an RX-7. I've always loved them. It's just so obnoxious and so crazy. Oh my god, bro. Dude, that shit is so loud.
That's how you make an entrance, bro.
That's so sick. Guys, look, we parked. We finally got up here. Right under the light too. With the homie Jose. My M3. Jay's Evo. We got some Lambos. This is a crazy ass Supra, dude. Wide body kit. Carbon stuff everywhere. Oh my god, what is that? Tokyo drift stuff. Oh my god, dude. That shit is beautiful. So clean. Oh, I want one so bad. That's another car that I'm definitely gonna buy one day. Fun fact, I'm actually very scared of heights. So scared right now holding my camera. My hands are getting so sweaty, bro. All gold. This shit is insane. Guys, look how big this lip is. There's no way. That's the biggest lip I've ever seen in my life. Look at this exhaust, guys. What if I did this? No way. This has to be the biggest exhaust I've ever seen in my life. Alex Choi's Huracan. Bright ass lights. R34 and R35. Twinning. There's really an R34 here, bro. That's crazy. This might be the thumbnail. Bro, it looks so good, dude. R34, R35. All black everything. Oh my god, dude. They're scraping so bad. Oh, look what pulled up. What's up, bro?
Hey. You take a pic?
Of course, dude. You saw her? Another one. Oh, it's probably gonna get shut down. Dude, the cops are literally pointing it right at us. Right at the R34.
Approximately 10 minutes to leave the area.
Wow, they're shutting it down, bro. The RX-7 started up again. I bet you these cops are gonna be like, what is that? It's so loud. I don't think it picks up on camera, but that thing is fucking loud. And the cops are right here. The cops are just looking. Oh my god, bro. I can't believe he's doing that in front of the cops, dude. He does not care. This place is packed. Dude, that's a badass exit. Well, I think I'm gonna try to start driving out of this place. It's gonna be such a pain in the butt to get out, but bro, everybody's recognizing me.
Hey, what is it,
What's up, dude?
What is it?
I know I should have brought it on.
Hey, this shit clean though, bro. The wrap.
Thank you, bro.
Take care, bro.
What's up, dude? What's up, bro? Man, look at the hoodie though.
Huh?
The hoodie though.
I know, bro.
Thank you,
Got
bro.
that shit right away. Is that YouTube?
What's up, dude? It is, bro. What's up?
What's up to YouTube, boy?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up to YouTube, boy? What's up?
It's so freaking loud, bro. Guys, I let Brian drive it. I'm gonna try to go film some content. I heard it's crazy down there. So Brian's gonna whip the M3 down. He's probably gonna be stuck here for a while. But got Jordan's Mustang, my M3. Everyone's gonna think that Brian's me, watch. Lexus, so sick. What's up, bro? Dude, this is insane. I feel like it's a subscriber car meet, bro. Like, the amount of people I'm running into that watch the vlogs is freaking insane. I appreciate it. So clean, dude. Alright, we made it to the bottom. This is what's holding up everything, bro. What the fuck is going on? Dude, no way. Bro, this is crazy. Everyone's in the middle of the street, bro. Like, wow, dude. E46 M3, the Need for Speed one. Like, literally for Need for Speed. Same exact livery, wide body kit, everything. Wow, this is insane, bro. This might be the craziest car meet ever. Look, the cops literally shut it down. The most craziest car meet I've ever been to. People over here parked in the middle of the street, dude. Well, it doesn't look like much is going on down here, like I thought there was gonna be. Wow, dude, that E92 is beautiful. That is so sick. Sick ass Porsche. Guys, look at this. Holy shit. We've been trying to get out for the past hour, guys. It's gonna take so long. Another one, bro. What's up, dude? I like your hoodie. Yeah, that's hard. What's up, dude? Bro, the cops got riot gear on, bro. Holy shit. It's that bad. Alright guys, we finally got out of there. That meet was probably the craziest meet I've ever been to in my life, bro. Bro, there was like probably like 10,000 people, bro. Like, insane. And so many of you guys, which is freaking awesome. So shout out to everybody who said what's up. Shout out to everyone who loved the color on the M3. The M3 looks super sick under those lights. Now we met up with these homies. We met up with Sam for 412, Carlos, and a bunch of their homies. A bunch of BMWs, F80s. Guys, look, we just came to eat, and look at this homie. No way, bro. Look at this, was all decked out. Where's the keys at?
I got an M3 because of FindingNick,
good,
bro.
bro.
The
That's tight.
inspiration, motivation, bro.
That's sick, dude. Bro. Literally sounds like gunshots, dude. Freaking Sam. Sam got his E30 back up, and it's way faster now. He wants to race a GTR, so that'll be an upcoming vlog. Look at this, guys. We're at a little music video shoot. We had a bunch of whips out here. The GTR. We got a GTR, a Yaris, a Ferrari. This shit is clean.
Traumatized from the past, and the pain is the only thing I run from. Fake hard for you niggas, cause you love me.
Look who showed up. Kevin? Some Camaros? Woo! These are crazy.
I ain't had no food for my stomach turning.
Look at this Fufora sticking out there, hanging out of the Ferrari. So yeah guys, we're here at the homie Forest photo shoot, video shoot, music video shoot. I bet this shot will come out sick. Look at that view, bro. Benz. Behind we got, oh my god. We got the Ferrari, the Urus.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 20.